Welcome back everyone to the Made by Hand shop. I'm Bobby Sharp. So exactly what are stepper blocks? Watch the rest of the video and you'll learn their many uses. So what exactly are the stepper blocks? Well, the stepper blocks increment by 1 inch, and the smallest one is a 1 inch by 2 inch. Then we have a 2 inch by 3 inch. Then we have a 3 inch by 4 inch. And last, we have a 5 inch by 6 inch. And most of you are probably already guessing how we can use these. Alright, so I have a scrap piece of MDF, and I've got the blade set up to cut roughly halfway through this material. This is just a mock-up. So I have my stop block set up, the extended stop block. What I'll do is make the first cut, and then we'll use our stepper blocks to increment the slot 1 inch at a time. Is not square, the angle will mess up the squareness of the cut. Now we can move back to 7 inch. So we've got the 6 and the 1. So we have 1 inch spaced slots, all by using the stepper blocks that increment by 1 inch. Now these are easily made. It's just MDF, and you cut a 1 inch by 2 inch, a 2 inch by 3, etc. This can be made out of any material that you have on hand, but it just so happens that MDF, this is 1/4 inch thick, and it is really close to a 1/4 inch thick. So if you need to stack these, or you want to glue several of these together, these 4 together is right at 1 inch. 3/4 inch. This is exactly 3/4 inch. I measured it, and I'm sure the 1/2 inch MDF is dead on it as well. Let's see how accurate we are with these cuts. It's not perfect, And you could spend some time making these stepper blocks very accurate. I cut them as close as I could get them, and of course you see the result. I've only shown you one use for this stepper block. If you have something like this that you use in your shop, leave a comment below and let us know what those uses are. Well, I hope you've gained something today by me showing you these stepper blocks. And as always, be all you can be, but best of all, be sharp. Stay safe in your shop, everyone.